Hello everyone, this is Aditi. Welcome to my channel. Guys, we come to yoga for countless reasons. For increasing our strength, for gaining flexibility, for stress relief, connection to God, connection to ourselves, and last but not least, boost our immune system. There are few yoga poses which help your body by rejuvenating its ability to fight against diseases. So let's have a look.
Uttarasana camel pose. It is very good heart opener. Sit in Vajrasana, stand on your knees, slowly bend backward and hold your ankle with your hands. Hold in this position and breathe normally. This asana helps with blood circulation around the chest and lungs, work well on thyroid and thymus gland. It fills the lungs and bring more oxygen into the system. Slowly return to the starting position. Practice up to 3 times. Now we will practice Sarvangasana and Halasana together. Lie on the back and relax the entire body. Contract the abdominal muscles and slowly raise the legs to the vertical position. This asana balances the circulatory, respiratory, digestive and nervous system. Slowly roll the hips and spine off the floor. Bend the knee, place the hand behind ribcage for support. Keep leg straight. Hold for few deep abdominal breaths. This asana stimulates thymus gland. It brings prana and blood flow to sinus, which boosts the function of immune system. Now we will do halasana. Bring the leg behind the back of the head. Keep them straight. Release the support of hands. Breathe slowly and deeply. It activates the digestion, promote production of insulin, improve functioning of liver and kidney. It balances the body metabolic rate, promote the flow of white blood cell in body which make immune system strong. Reverse the movements to come out of the position. At the end, relax in Shavasana. Matsya Asana, fish pose. Lie on the floor, inhale and lift your chest up. Open your chest as much as possible and slowly drop your head on the floor. Breathe deeply and hold for a few breaths. It is useful for abdominal, remove constipation, good for respiratory system. It regulates the function of thyroid gland and stimulates the thymus gland, boosting the immune system. Slowly return to the starting position. Setu Bandhasan or bridge pose. Lie flat on the back. Now slowly bend your knees. Uplift your pelvic area, lower back and middle back. Push your chest towards the chin. Stay there for 4 to 5 deep breaths. This is a heart opener pose. It stimulates the thymus gland, which is responsible for development of T cells, which prevent the body from infection and virus attack. Slowly come down, practice 4 to 5 rounds. Vrikshasana, tree pose. This asana improves your mental capability and keep you stable and focused. It stretches the entire body and increases stamina. By allowing you to relax and breathe deeply, it helps you to reduce stress hormones, heart rate, and nervous system distress, which all support strong immunity. Keep working on holding for a long time on each leg while deep breathing. Ardha Matsyendrasana, half spinal twist. Sit straight, bend your left leg at the knee. Fold and bring your right foot close to your left buttock. Place left hand at the back for support. For beginner, wrap the arm around the thigh or else hold your knee or foot. Breathe slowly and deeply. Hold for few breaths. It tones the nerves of the spine, massage your abdominal organ, beneficial for kidney, liver and pancreas. Slowly come out of the posture and repeat to the other side.
I hope you guys like the video, so please do like, subscribe and share.